Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into one of the most powerful gaming laptops of 2025, the MSI Raider 18HX-AI. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this laptop today at the best price available. You don't want to miss out on any deals. The MSI Raider 18HX-AI is a true powerhouse built for gamers and creators who demand top-tier specs and stunning visuals. Featuring an 18-inch UHD plus 120Hz display, you get jaw-dropping clarity and ultra-smooth gameplay, perfect for immersive AAA titles and creative workflows alike. Under the hood, it's powered by the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 9285HX processor and an incredible NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU. Paired with 64GB DDR5 RAM and a massive 4TB NVMe SSD, this laptop handles everything from intense gaming sessions to heavy multitasking and 4K video editing without breaking a sweat. MSI's thermal engineering ensures the system stays cool even during marathon gaming or rendering runs, while the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7 future-proofs your connectivity needs. The sleek black chassis with RGB accents and a comfortable keyboard completes the premium experience you expect at this level. Final verdict. If you want the ultimate desktop replacement laptop that delivers stunning visuals, blistering performance, and massive storage, the MSI Raider 18HX-AI is hands down one of the best options available in 2025. Link symbol emoji. Don't forget to check the link below to grab the MSI Raider 18HX-AI at the best price today.